dog, and he's every time he sees me, he says, and he's like, oh yeah, wobble wobble. This is my elephant noise.
There's an exit right there. Oh, that's an exit that I was supposed to take. Shut.
I just wanted to say congratulations to all the contestants. All of your noises were annoying in new and interesting ways. But there can only be one winner of the first annual Annoying Noise Contest at Big Kids Camp. And that winner is...